Woohoo! Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Hulk, calm down!
Whoa! Hulk smash!
Careful, Hulk! You're gonna ruin the city! Don't worry, me and Iron Man can help!
That just makes me angrier!
Hey, do you think he's just hungry? Oh yeah, good idea. Let's try. Hey Hulk, would you like this tasty cupcake? That'll be a no then. I've got an idea! Fizzy, Phoebe, we need your help!
Wow, this is a mess!
I know, we need the disc drop, and we need it now!
I can sort that! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bobbity Bob!
Hulk smash!
Wait! If you're so angry, why don't you try to beat me at the disc drop game?
I'll win!
Even better, we can make our own squishies!
Alright, challenge accepted!
Perfect! Let the competition begin!
Woohoo! Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands! Alright, I love the disc drop game!
Awesome sauce! Let's drop that disc!
Alright, it landed on red, like me! Quick, Miss Hands, open it! Alright, Spidey, time to find out what's inside the red box! Whoa! Alright! We've got 1, 2 squishy skins! We're gonna need that for our squishies later!
Good job, Spidey! Alright, time to drop another disc! Ooh, orange! I wonder what's inside!
Good question, Phoebe. Let's find out. Whoa, it's pretty noisy. All right, we've got some green food coloring.
Yay! Hulk loves green!
That's right, Hulk. And you can create a green squishy.
Alright! Miss Hands, drop disc!
That's the spirit, Hulk.
Yay! It's blue! Like me! Miss Hands, could you open the blue box, please?
Of course I can, Fizzy. All right, inside the blue box, we've got... Whoa! Some red food coloring. Ooh, red! That must be for me! I think you're right, Spidey.
Woohoo! This is so much fun! Miss Hands, let's drop that disc!
Ooh, black! Like my hair! Quick, open it!
Way to go, Hulk! All right, let's see what's inside this black box.
Ah! No confetti! Hulk no like it!
Hey, it's alright, Hulk! You don't have to use it if you don't want to!
Yeah, I can always use it if you like.
Oh, yes, please, Spidey. Hulk's sad.
Hey, don't be sad, Hulk. Look, we've got another disc to drop.
Ooh, yellow, like the sun!
That's right, Phoebe. I wonder what could be inside. Whoa, we've got 2 things. We've got some red glitter and some green glitter. Pretty.
Ooh, glitter! I love glitter!
Whoa, now that surprises me.
I love glitter too! Hey, Fizzy! Yes, Phoebe? We've only got one more box to open! That's right, Phoebe! We've got to land on the green box! Miss Hands, you know what to do!
All right, everyone, here goes. All right, we did it! We landed on all of the colored boxes. Now, I wonder what's inside the green box. Here we go. Whoa!
Perfect! We're gonna need that magical squishy powder to make our squishies squishy! That's right, Phoebe!
Hey, is it time yet?
It sure is. It's time to make some squishies. All right, first up, we're gonna add 1 scoop of magical squishy powder.
Awesome sauce! Hey, Spidey! What would you like to put in first?
I know, some red food coloring to make it nice and red, like me. All right, in it goes.
Oh, what about some red glitter?
All right, that sounds great. Thanks, Fizzy. So sparkly. What next? Oh, the green confetti.
Green confetti! Wait, green confetti.
Good job, Hulk. Ta-da! 1 red Spidey squishy. Whoa, my squishy looks awesome.
Yeah, I love how sparkly it is.
Thanks, Hulk. Hey, it's your turn now.
Yay! Hulk, happy!
All right, Hulk, you know what to do. 1 scoop of squishy magical powder.
Yay! Now for green dye, please!
Good asking, Hulk. All right, green dye, and it goes.
And now for my favorite bit, sparkles!
All right, Hulk, we'll put in loads of sparkles.
Oh, what about some confetti?
No confetti! Oops, I mean, no confetti, thank you.
Oh, yeah! Sorry, Hulk. Silly me.
I know, you could always put in some sparkly confetti instead.
Yay! Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle!
Let's put in these super cute sparkly blue hearts. So pretty.
It's perfect! All right! Hey, Miss Hands, can I see it now, please?
Of course you can, Hulk, but first we need to fill it up and tie it off.
Oh yeah!
Whoa! Great job, Hulk! It's so sparkly!
Oh, it's beautiful! And so squishy too!
Hey, Hulk, why don't you squish it when you're angry?
Oh yeah! Good idea, Fizzy!
So come on, tell us, who won?
Drum roll, please. And the winner is...
Hulk!
Me?
I think you both won.
No, Fizzy, Hulk managed to stay calm. He deserves to win for that.
Hey, I did! I really did! Thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe!
Well, you're both winners to me.
Oh, this has been the best day ever!
Yay! gosh. Haha.
Come on, Hulk. Let's get you home. See you later, everyone.
Bye, Spidey. Bye, Hulk. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time. Hey, Fizzy, can we make a squishy now?
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.